In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect from a team board in Miro. If you're part of a board that you no longer need to follow, leaving the board is a clean way to remove it from your dashboard and stop receiving updates. This doesn't delete the board or affect anyone else's access, it simply removes your access and clears up your workspace. Start by opening your browser and going to Miro.com. When your dashboard loads, make sure you're viewing the correct team area, especially if you belong to more than one team. You'll see tiles for boards you've worked on recently, along with navigation to different views. Next, look for the Recent Boards section on the dashboard. This is the quickest way to find boards you've interacted with lately. Scroll through the list until you see the board you want to disconnect from. If you don't spot it right away, hovering over each tile will reveal more details like the board name and team, which can help you confirm you've got the right one. Once you've found the board, hover over its tile and click the three dots, often called the More or Options menu. This menu gives you board-specific actions without opening the board. If you don't see the three dots at first, move your cursor over the tile or to the top right corner of the tile, and they should appear. From the menu, click Leave. Choosing Leave removes you from the board's participant list. Depending on your account and permissions, Miro may show a brief confirmation message. Confirm if prompted, and the action completes. After you leave, the board will disappear from your recent boards, and you'll no longer be able to open it. Any old links to that board will stop working for you, and you won't receive notifications or updates related to it. If you ever need access again, you can request an invitation from a board owner or someone with sharing permissions. That's all there is to it. Go to Miro.com, head to your recent boards, open the three-dot menu on the board you no longer need, and select Leave. A quick tip before we wrap up. If your goal is simply to reduce notifications rather than fully remove your access, consider adjusting your notification settings inside Miro. But if you want a clean break and a tidier dashboard, leaving the board is the right move. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to follow along with your own dashboard and keep your workspace organized.